This invigorating blueberry lime smoothie is the perfect pick-me-up to beat the heat and keep your body refreshed and feeling hydrated. There's 3 simple ingredients and you can change up the fruit to make it your flavor of what you're feeling that day. So we're gonna place all of these ingredients into the blender. We have 1 cup of frozen blueberries. We have fresh squeezed lime juice, and then just a few mint leaves. Place that all into the blender. And then we're going to just blend it on up, and all of it's going to liquefy into a nice smoothie texture. So let's blend it on up and we'll get the taste to match. Perfect. Now I added just a little bit of water. You might have to just add a little bit yourself just to add some texture to it. You can add coconut water, regular water, or just a little bit more fruit as well. So it just depends on your texture, your flavor, what you like to drink, how you like to drink it, and what you want it to taste like. You can also feel free to add some agave syrup or some maple syrup to give it a little bit of a fresh, sugary taste to it. But if you want it au naturel, it tastes just as good with its natural flavors as well. So let's give it a try. And there it is, smoothie texture. You can drink it if it's smooth enough, or if you want, have it as a little smoothie slash slushy. Oh my goodness. This is so good. It has like the mint and the lime taste to it that just gives those berries a pop. And this is excellent if you try this with watermelon as well. Be mindful of how you mix it up, see what your body needs, what it craves, and just give it a go in your kitchen. There's nothing that you can do besides make up some great things to try to keep your body hydrated so that you can beat the heat. This is a smoothie slash slushy. So right now we have a smoothie slash smoothie. So let's blend it up and see the magic happen. Oh my god, this is so good. You can even add tequila to this.